your name and business?
Abhishek, I'm a co-founder with Giftxoxo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So according to you, the entrepreneur should focus on developing an app or they should develop a platform?
So I think it's a good idea to start with app. The reason is the cost of building app and cost of acquiring that thing is really small than building a platform, because platform is something which gets built of its own. Right? You don't build it. You need to create a good product which gets which the consumers start accepting that, and when you have a large audience, it becomes platform automatically. So you cannot create platform from zero. You'll have to obviously start working with an app, and which will eventually become platform if it has the potential.
Okay. But the number of apps have been ever increasing in India. So the players like Nike should come up in the market and integrate the apps.
See, today everyone, if you look at the market, I think all companies, all the startups, they want to come up with something which through which they want to stay connected with consumers, right? For example, app is the best way, because I think mobile is the most personalized stuff that you have with you. So when you say that should they come or not, yes, everyone should try, but will consumers keep the app? No. So today what happens, like, for example, me, if I don't need Flipkart for some time, let's say I'm not a very avid shopper, right, and I don't need Flipkart for some time, I would probably just download the Flipkart app, use it, and then delete it, remove it from this, and then when need comes, right, then I'll download it again and then again use it again. So should they build it? Should it be there? Yes, it should be there. I think you should keep doing enough marketing so that it's there in in the mind of users, and when they need it, they install it, use it. This will happen. This will become a process where install start happening. Eventually, what will happen is, like, people of app aggregator will come up, start coming up, where with one app you can start launching multiple apps, right? So that is where you'll the market is poised to grow towards.
Consumers have fastly moved from desktop to laptop, now to mobile technology. Now, how do you say the VR going to change the landscape of the marketplace?
So if you look at the trend, right, the whole world, the entire stuff is moving towards connected world, right? Now connected world plus with less amount of effort that is required.
Okay.
Now VR is doing exactly the same things, emulating the real world into a virtual world. It is giving a feel of that eventually whatever you can do physically, you can do virtually as well, right? So to start with, I think VR is going to pick up, because it will give you an experience of using stuff before you can actually use it, right? Before you can actually get into that, right? So that kind of tells you whether you are interested in going ahead with that stuff or not, right? So VR is going to definitely play a very huge role in connecting people around and taking the technology to the next step. So the VR is going to be very important.
So final question to you, like we are talking of VR now. Now again 3D printing technology is coming. So how fast the world would be changing, and how fast the entrepreneurs would be changing with the world?
So I think entrepreneurs will have to adapt these new technologies very fast, because these are the emerging technology, and every day new stuffs keep coming, right? If you look at 3D printing, VR, artificial intelligence, analytics, like Watson, if you heard about Watson from IBM, right? These are hot tech that's changing the world around, right? And if you don't adapt to this new stuff, you're eventually going to die out. So as an entrepreneur, you need to keep yourself updated and adapt the new stuff that's coming on, and how you can use it to enhance your services, enhance your product. That is what the focus should be.
That's okay. Thank you so much for your valuable time.